The customer development process. The customer development process is a framework developed by Steve Blank that helps startups and businesses validate their business ideas and find a market fit by focusing on customer discovery and validation. It consists of four main steps. Customer discovery. In this step, the goal is to identify and understand the target customers, their needs and pain points. The process involves conducting interviews, survey, and market research to gather insights about the potential customer. Customer validation. Once the target customers are identified, the next step is to validate the business idea or product concept. This involves building a minimum viable product (MVP) or prototype and testing it with early adopters to gather feedback and validate whether the solution solves their problem. Customer creation. In this stage, the focus shifts to acquiring paying customers. The goal is to describe a scalable and repeatable customer acquisition process by experimenting with different marketing and sales strategies. The emphasis is on finding the most effective channels to reach and convert customers. Company building. Once the customer base starts to grow, the focus shifts to scaling the business operations and optimizing the business model to meet customer demands. This involves refining process, improving customer satisfaction, and exploring opportunities for expansion.
Creating customer buy-in. Creating customer buy-in refers to the process of getting customers to believe in and commit to a product, service, or idea. It involves building trust, addressing customer concerns, and demonstrating value. Some strategies for creating customer buy-in include effective communication. Clearly and persuasively communicate the benefits and value proposition of the product or idea to the customers. Highlight how it addresses their needs and solves their problems. Building relationships. Establish a personal connection with customers through personalized interactions, understanding their needs, and providing exceptional customer service. Demonstrating social proof. Showcasing testimonials, case studies, and success stories from satisfied customers can help build credibility and trust, increasing customer buy-in. Providing trials or samples. Offering free trials, demos, or samples allows customers to experience the product or service firsthand, reducing the perceived risk and increasing the likelihood of buy-in. Addressing objections. Proactively address customer concerns and objections by providing accurate information, offering guarantees, or addressing any potential risks or drawbacks. New product development versus customer development. New product development and customer development are two related but distinct processes in the field of entrepreneurship and innovation. New product development focuses on the process of designing, creating, and bringing a new product or service to the market. It involves activities such as idea generation, concept development, product design, testing, and commercialization. NPD typically follows a sequential or iterative process within the organization and is often driven by internal resources and expertise. On the other hand, customer development is a framework that focuses on understanding customer needs, validating business ideas, and finding a market fit. It emphasizes the importance of early customer feedback and involvement throughout the product development. Customer development is typically more iterative and customer-centric, involving activities such as customer interviews, validation testing, and market research. While NPD focuses on the product itself and its features, customer development places a greater emphasis on understanding the target customers, their problems, and developing a product market fit. Both processes are important for successful innovation and commercialization, and they can complement each other in creating products that meet customer needs and achieve market success.
Different customer roles. In the context of the customer development process, there are typically four main customer roles. Early evangelists. These are the visionary customers who understand the problem and potential solution better than others. They are often early adopters and are willing to take a risk on a product or idea. Engaging with early evangelists is crucial for validating the business concept and gaining initial traction. Influencers. Influencers are individuals or groups who have the power to shape the opinions and behavior of others. They might include industry experts, bloggers, social media influencers, or community leaders. Influencers can help create awareness, generate buzz, and building credibility for a product or idea. Economic buyers. Economic buyers are the individuals or organizations who have the authority and financial resources to make purchasing decisions. They evaluate the value proposition, cost, and benefits of a product or service and determine whether to make a purchase. End users. End users are the people who will actually use or benefit the product or service. Their feedback and experience are essential for understanding usability, identifying pain points, and improving the product over time. Understanding the different customer roles and their needs is important for effectively targeting and engaging with the right stakeholders throughout the customer development process. The relationship with the business model. The customer development process is closely tied to the business model of a company. The business model outlines how a company creates, delivers, and captures value from its product or services. The customer development process helps validate and refine the business model by focusing on customer insights and feedback.